I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer powder. First, understand that beer powder is essentially beer without its water content, making it much lighter and more stable. This innovative form offers incredible versatility for cooking, baking, or even rehydrating for a quick drink. We'll cover the simple steps to transform your favorite brew into a convenient powdered form. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need your favorite beer, though lighter beers often yield better results. A key ingredient is maltodextrin or tapioca starch, which helps absorb the liquid and prevent clumping. For equipment, a food dehydrator or an oven capable of very low temperatures, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, is necessary. Now for the dehydration. Gently mix 1 part beer with about 2 parts maltodextrin until a thick paste forms. Spread this paste very thinly onto parchment paper on your dehydrator trays. Set your dehydrator to a low temperature, around 130 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it run for several hours until the mixture is completely dry and brittle. After drying, break the brittle mixture into smaller pieces. Transfer these pieces to a food processor and pulse until you achieve a fine powder. Sieve the powder through a fine mesh to ensure a smooth, consistent texture, discarding any remaining large bits. Store your finished beer powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.